How to find saved posts on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved posts on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now just click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find the settings and then click account, and here you will find saved. Just click on it, and as you see here you will find your saved posts, and here you can manage it. And that's how to find your saved posts on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.